Good evening, Cliff here. How are we all doing? I've come up the field to test fly the Pfalz again, but I've forgotten my hat cam. Well, I haven't forgotten it. I know exactly where it is, but it's not with me. So I'm going to sit this on the bonnet, and I don't know what sort of view you'll get of it. Let's have a go with this baby. Hey, she flies, guys. I was just trying to think what it is I've done to it since the last time I tried it. I've got a bigger, well, I'll show you. I've got a fin extension on there. That's possibly helping. And just rebuilt the wings really, but there we go. She flies. There you go. You can see a little bit now. She flies quite nicely there. So thanks for watching this little video. Sorry I forgot my hat cam, that was really silly of me. Hit us a like button down below, always good, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.